In this video, we will talk about the earliest classification of living organisms, biological contribution of Aristotle, and the classification of living organisms, the first person that tried to classify living organisms. So, without further ado, let's get started. A very long time before, biologists have examined and described more than 1.8 million kinds of living organisms, and there are still many more to be discovered and described. We must therefore have a meaningful way of classifying living organisms, identifying and naming them. Aristotle, 322 to 384 BC. He was a Greek philosopher, was the first to make attempt to classify living organisms. According to his theory, he claimed that everything is made up of five elements. The first one is earth, the second one is fire, the third one is air, and the fourth one is water, and the last one is ether. He made a pioneering contribution to all fields of philosophy and science. He embedded the field of formal logic. And also one of the work of Aristotle, he identified the various scientific disciplines and explored their relationship to each other. He was also a teacher and he founded his own school in Athens, Lythons in Greece. Here are the things to remember when it comes to Aristotle, but there is important question you may encounter. Key points to remember again. Question number 1. What is the biological contribution of Aristotle? A simple question. Aristotle distinguished about 500 species of birds, mammals, species, and the history of animal and part of animal. His system of classification is one of the earliest in a scientific taxonomy. Question number 2. Who is the father of zoology? The answer should be Aristotle because he studied mainly under animals. Question number 3. Who is the father of zoology? Though there are some scientists, but Aristotle is still the father of biology because he is the first to attempt classify living organisms. But his system, as I say, is mainly zoology. Hence, the science of biology was invented by Aristotle. Before Aristotle, many Greek philosophers had speculated about the origin of Earth, life, but their theory was unsupported by empirical investigations. So, now we are going to the modern classification of living organisms under the work of Carolus Linnaeus. In our next video, we will talk about the modern classification of living organisms under the work of Carolus Linnaeus. See you. Do have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.